Hey everybody, welcome back to my pizza channel. Let's make some no-fail pizza dough. I have 479 grams of pizza flour, 311 grams of cold water, 15 grams of olive oil, 10 grams of salt, and my last ingredient, 1.5 grams of instant yeast. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. For our first step, we'll get all of our pizza flour into the bowl. If you don't have pizza flour, you can use all-purpose or bread flour. Both of those work nicely as well. Take my yeast, and then we'll just hide that yeast in the flour. Salt, olive oil, that's good, and then our cold water. And that is it for the recipe. I am using the new mixer from KYS Norway. This is the Pro Baker 5 Plus model. If you want to see more information about this amazing mixer, I'll put it down underneath the video in the description box. Close down the safety cage, and I'll turn it on. And right away you can see a nice little light went on in there. Just illuminates everything inside the bowl. Come around here. Just going to get the mixer going. Take it up to about number 3 of 10. Just like that. I'll turn it so you can see it. Really nice mixer. I love this mixer. So at this point, I'm going to let this run for 14 minutes. If you are running your mixer at a higher speed, you can drop the time down to 12 minutes, down to 10 minutes, down to 8 minutes. It really, depends on what you want to do. Even at 8 minutes with a little bit of a higher speed, you're going to get a perfect dough. So I'm going to let this go, and I'll be back. Alexa, set a timer for 14 minutes.
14 minutes, starting now.
Alright, that's my 14-minute timer that just went off. I'm just going to move this over just so you can see this a little better. Come down in here. So let's open up the safety cage. The machine will stop, and you can see how nice that dough is. Oh, that is nice. So I'm just going to get this out of the machine, and I'll come back in a couple of seconds. Get a little water on my scale. I am aiming for 4 dough balls around 200 grams. Doesn't have to be super accurate, but around there. Let's get that on there. 805 grams. 805 grams. So I'm going to keep this video really short today, so I'm going to break up the dough balls into 4. I'm going to weigh them out, and then I'm going to come back. 200, 201, so we're good. So there are my dough balls, all 4 of them, ready to go. While my dough is mixing, I got my bowls ready. So all of my bowls have been sprayed with olive oil. So I got those ready to go. I'm just going to grab your dough, just give it a little push, and then fold it in on itself. Make sure I'm on camera, flip it over, and then just get it like this. So as you turn, you're going under and you're pulling. So you're pulling. Makes a very nice top to the dough ball. And you can finish it off if you wish. Just give it a little bit of a roll. Gently into your bowl. Push it down, bring it in, same thing. Flip it over, and then just work it. That's good. There's 2. I'm having a little bit of a party, so I want to have a few little pizzas that are a little bit smaller. Like that, that's good. Into our bowl. And then I'm going to spray these dough balls again on the top, and then plastic wrap goes over them. And then right away they're going to stay on my work area here for about 20 minutes, and then they're going into the fridge for a 24-hour cold ferment. That's good, and then right in there. Perfect. So I'm going to go spray these, and then I'll be back. So I sprayed them with my olive oil, and now I'm just covering them with plastic wrap. So there we have it. So 4 nice dough balls, 200 grams each, ready to go. These are going to make really nice pizzas. So 20 minutes on my work surface here, and then they're going to go into the fridge for that 24-hour cold ferment. I'm going to finish off the video here and just make it really short, just for people who want to come and see how to make pizza dough, and that's it. If you want to see other videos where I continue on the video where I'll show you what the doughs look like after being in the fridge, and then also some finished products of the pizzas that I've baked in my pizza oven, you can check those out over on my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. And I also have a lot of pizza videos on my Frosty's Kitchen YouTube channel. So that's it. That's how easy it is to make authentic pizza dough. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.